You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So let me see if I can wrap this up in 5 minutes or less. So the whole show, 5 minutes or less. Here we go. So your trees, if you're thinking about planting a tree, it's encouraged. It's a great time, especially the trees that thrive. That's the desert willows and the chase trees and the golden locusts, the robinias. These things love the summer heat and they will just take off. Good time to put them in. You have to water the soil really well. So you got to water them in really good. But if you do that, they will just take off, especially with the monsoons. As it hits, they will just double down on their growth. So it's a good time. If you're thinking about a Liberty tree, the 250 trees planted for America's 250th, be a part of that. You need a medallion to go with it. There's a memorial. You order those ahead of time at watersgardencenter.com, and you'll see a big medallion up there on the shopping area. It says Liberty trees, 250. Donate one to a school, to a public place. We'll make sure we find a home for that tree. But get yours. We'll have a July 3rd pickup date for that. It's a big celebration. There'll be food trucks and bands. It'll be a hoot. It'll be fun. So lots of great trees. Look at the entire collection. It's right there. Likewise, we lined up a direct ship for clematis. If you like vining plants with flowers the size of your hand in fancy colors, clematis are your thing. They grow really well here. They like to have their feet in the shade, that is under the plantings of other flowers or other shrubs, and they grow up through that, up a fence, but they like their tops to be in the sunshine. So find that right spot. We can direct ship those. We've given you access to Willoway nurseries, their entire 2,000 acres, and all the clematis that they grow. Direct ships. It's a big, full, mature plant in a huge box, and it comes right and just delivers right to your door. Very much successful. We've had great success doing that. You take a look at that. It's called Clematis Clerfuffle. Oh, yeah, we made it up. It's fun. It's hard to say 10 times fast, but it's also on our website. It's on the direct ship piece. But take a look. Order your clematis. It's a great time. I grow mine in containers, and then I have vinca growing at the base of that. It's beautiful. Right there in the middle of the patio. All the furniture is around it. It's glorious. It's beautiful. Anyway, you can grow this yourself as well. And then second, I titled this segment, basically the blueprint to endless summer blooms starts on Saturdays. So we're starting back our garden classes. Every Saturday at 9:30, the entire summer series is out there now. Take a look at that. So today or this week, or actually this weekend, it starts. So it's the first Saturday. So growing better berries and grapes. Next week on the 13th, it is the top 10 flowers that love summer heat. And the one I'm most excited about on the 18th, which is not a Saturday, that's a Thursday. I've got my kids coming in. We're having a sip and shop at the garden center. So we give you a shopping cart, we give you a glass of wine, and we show you all the new, and I do a tour, what's new, what you're seeing bloom, what just came in. I do a personal tour, but mainly my kids who just started a wellness clinic. My boys, they're both way high up in the medical fields, but they also do Botox, GLP-1s. They do all the wellness stuff. They're coming back home just for this event. We're going to set up a beautiful little garden area for them to Botox if you want. Bring the girlfriends. I'm going to have some done myself. I actually enjoy Botox. Our entire family's on GLP-1s. That's how we're all so thin. But anyway, we'll go deep into that. They're coming home just to do that for a few days. I can't wait to see them again. It's been a while. Our grandson, their son, basically spends the summer with us. I don't know if they're coming to just do this wellness thing or the sip and shop on the 18th, or they're coming to see their boy. Either way, I'll take it. That Saturday, though, the 20th, best trees for bushels of fruit. And then we go Gardening Absolute Beginner's Guide to Success on the 27th. That's of June. You can see the entire list on our website. Big classes button at the top. You just can't miss it. So, all right. I went way over time. Waters Garden companion plants for June are sunburst locust, moonshine yarrow, silverberry, and Hall's honeysuckle.
Ideal at growing up fences, walls, or as a ground cover.
Wind, drought, deer, javelina are no problem.
Hall's honeysuckle is an outstanding mountain vine with fragrant yellow flowers that loves blooming in the summer heat.
An excellent solution for a fast-growing screen, even in the poorest of soil.
You'll only find the hardiest vines at Waters Garden Center, 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott.
For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.